All right, so this is the Euro USD. I'm on a 3 minute chart. I did a nice little scalp. It was only $50. I could have left it uh, and let it run. My target was to get back to the median, and it looked like that's where it's going to head to. I ain't gonna lie, I did chicken out is because I saw this area of resistance. So what I did was I just took the trade to to this resistance point. It was support at one point, and then it broke, and that's the new resistance. So I was just playing to my rules. So I'm not really all that mad. Like I said, it was only $50. I had two standard lot sizes though, so I was just really scalping. So I'm on a 3 minute chart, and got in, got up the bat right in this area. Uh, somewhere, I got out somewhere in here, so to speak, right? So I feel pretty decent that eventually this price will come up and hit this area, but I didn't want to take that risk, so I traded the market structure. So I followed my plan, and asset was outside of the water, so I was looking to get back into the water, which I did. I got my green candle back into the water. Also, this was a reversal candle, so I felt real confident. Stop loss was going to be below here. So now check this out, because I was using a standard. That stop loss for where I was entering in would put me around six. So I took two standards. So that would have been almost 120 or something dollars that could have been lost if it hit. So you got to be mindful. Make sure your account size uh, reflects that type of trade to a certain point. Um, what I did was risky because I did this on a smaller account, so it could have negatively, it could have impacted my account if my stop losses got hit. But I got some reserves, so sometimes I take a risky trade on a smaller account, knowing that I got reserves and I can put money in and replace it. So every now and then, like I said, I take that risk. But I just like the setup, and I was like, you know what, let me take it. I feel confident in it. And when I went over and I looked at the our longs on the euro, we what was I? I was on a 3 minute chart. So let's just go on a 5 minute chart, and let's go look at the positions. And so if you see, all right, what I'm gonna do is I want you to pay attention to this area where this red is. All right, so when I hover on the chart, look at these positions. Look between the shorts and the longs. All right, so all right, you see it. So it was 28,595 long positions, and then it's only 17,120. And these are actual positions in the market. Remember, markets can only move when there's an imbalance in the market. So therefore, there's an imbalance with these. Now you ask, what is the difference between that and daily FX with their sentiment? Well, the thing over there is that that's more so on retail sentiment side, which they provide liquidity over there. Over here, this is the real deal. These are the movers that move the market, um, so to speak. So remember, price can only move when there's an imbalance, and we just stated that, right? So let's look. Okay, look like we're trying to fight to get to this level. So okay, this is good, right? Why? We see that these strong candles, they're not really that strong, but we got a bullish move, and it's even though it's not huge, but we got one because we can see that the longs. Look again. All right, look back over the screen. 28,000. So they're in control right now. Now, um, so this is on the 5 minute. Going to 1 hour, we can see what's happening. Same thing. Longs are still in control. So there's a lot of buying going on where this thing eventually we're going to find some move. All right. So here we go. Like we're going to touch. Okay. So this is and this is another great trade setup. We got what we call a three candle bar setup where you take the trade based off this red candle being engulfed, and you put your stop loss right here. So somebody technically could take this trade. If the stop loss get hit, it get hit, but you following a simple trade rule. Once this candle is engulfed, so we engulfed it a little bit. We got some little pullback right now, which is fine. But if you want to stay in trade and just see, what this would do. In fact, I'm just going to pause it. I'm going to see what's going to happen. And this is what scalpers do. So it's strict rules. So let's see how it plays out. All right, targets hit. Right, so that would have been success. Now this is 3 minutes, so of course you rather see this on like a maybe a 15 minute or even an hourly chart would be a lot better because the pips. But the trade, it played out well. So if I would have stuck with this trade all the way through, like I said, I respected this area that was right here was at uh, resistance. So we took it up in here. That's 11 pips. So that's a $220 payout on a 3 minute chart. So, like I said, I was just scalping, just doing something. I was bored, but yeah, I could have left it in. But you see how effective this trading strategy can be. All right, so y'all just hit the like button, subscribe. I look to post a lot of content like this. All right, but y'all have a great day. May the horse be with you, and make sure to go check out the website that we got, and you can check out. We got a workshop coming up for Forex, and you can register. It'll be next Wednesday, which will be, I believe, August 17th. So you can go through August 17th. You can check it out. $75 for non-members, 54 members. Also, if you want to look at membership, this is the VIP membership. Of course, you get more investment plan, strategies, how to research crypto, etc. So we do focus heavily on crypto through this particular program. So it's a lot of information in there. So if you are interested in that, have at it. All right. So like I said, may the horse be with you. Y'all hit the subscribe button, like button. I will see y'all later. Have a great one.